Guys, we're gonna play Hello Neighbor in Roblox. And yeah, but there's there's a little twist. He's a little golden. Well, let's beat the game. Let's go. Chill. Idiot. What? Oh, wait, it's open? When that's open. Okay. Yeah, this is so off brand. Let me get out. Yo, let me get out. Yippee! Can I not? Dude, this game I can't even open door. What? Oh. Run! What the oh my god! Oh, crap. I lived. Yippee! Never mind, I did not live. Bro, he's faster than me. Okay, he should be like a little faster than me, but not like too fast. What? I'm going crazy. Okay. Whoop. No. Why can I? You know what? I knew it, eh? You little rat. You little naked mole rat. Come here. I want to go home. I'm going to go back home. See you guys. I can't leave. I can't. I saw that thing again. Can I walk? Thank you. Well, I'm cooked. Here we okay, the running scene got corrupted, so I had to do something / delete it. So you guys won't be able to see that, but you will be able to see this. Oh. No. Dang, that's way higher. Wait a minute. I went higher. Hey, Fredbear, I need you to get me out of here. This would be the easiest escape, however you say it, ever. Where's my way out? Is it the front door? I think it is. Wait a minute. Ooh, ooh. Do that wall glitch thing. No. Oh.
I was gonna get water for you. I was making a bucket. Guys, I didn't have a bucket. This thing is going. Disgusting. I have bad news. You look like you got Botox surgery. I don't understand. Why? We knew you were patient zero. We knew you were patient zero all along. No, excuse me, we have to run. Come back.
What am I supposed to do? I'll be right back. I hate you. I hate you, Fredbear. You're the worst out of all of them for right now because you're my first guy. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can you let me free? I don't wanna do this. And how did you get up here? Oh. Thank you.
I don't think he's buying it. He's staring at us through the glass, dude. It's horrifying. It's disgusting.
Can I please? Thank you.
It's disgusting. Go away, please. Hey, maybe he'll listen. Go away, please. Look at the world. Look at the water. What is that? Where's he going? What's he doing?
Oh, I got it. Can I leave here? Why? Let me go through the... Thank you. You can go bye-bye and you can come to me. Thank you. Go away. What? Really? Okay.
We have to kill him. He has to be killed. Look at the way he's looking around the outside. It's just a circle, man. Lyrics, look around you. Look at the wall you're in. Look at what is this a picture of? Dude, my house is turning. We got it. We have to kill him.
Wait, did I get it?
I really think we have to kill him. I think we literally need to kill him. We gotta kill him. Oh my god. What's wrong? It's turning. Oh god. It's you. You're holy yourself. Look at yourself. You gotta get out of the house. Get out of the house. What? Get out of the house. Get out of my house. Oh no, I'm round. How did this happen? What are you guys doing?
Where's the wrench? Oh, I got it. Yippee! Easy. Can I go? Can I go? Can I go? Can I go? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Fredbear will never know. Wait, was I supposed? I'm not here! I'm not out here! Please! What the Sigma? I'm playing the game. The game. Hello?
That's the reason why we're circles and he's not. Your superpowers.
Go, go, go. Oh. Oh, this is insane. You must find...
It's not possible. Why did he just so lucky? Why is this so on the correct?
Oh, both of them. Okay. Well, wow, it's nothing in here. Okay. I'll do that once I... No, 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 I heard him. Oh, that opens that. Let me just double check. Okay. We good. Not anymore. Okay, guys. What's over here? Really? Nothing? Okay. Is that thing looking at? No, okay. Sunlight! Yippee! What? Act 2! Let's go! Oh, crap. Yeah, I forgot about this. I'm good. It is... we do have to get that again. No. I hate you. I hate you. No one loves you. I was joking. Okay? I'm not on your honor. Okay? Chill. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay? We can chill. How does bro know? Go, get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. I hate you. Nope. Oh, thank you. Now.
Let's go! inside the cave, and there it is. Okay, that's actually really easy because my boots freaking broke. First person to these, by the way. How long can he last on this wall? I went on a pig slaying session for the 4,000 bajillion times.
Thank you. Wait a minute. Is that all I need? Where do I go?
Yeah, I finally got it right. I know I could have hit you, but whatever, bro. Whatever. I think that's pretty
What's this
cool.
use?
Like,
Do you use this? Get me out of here. Help! Not in your yard. I'm out of your yard. Over here, over here. Where? Where? Let me out. Let me out! Please! Where do I get out? Isn't there supposed to be a side thing? Isn't there supposed to be more? Fine. Yeah, I think Act 2 and Act 3 is a scam. So, yeah. Well, that sucks.